Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about Google new tool in which you can convert your image to video. So let's begin directly with the process. So first of all, search ImageFX in Google. And go to this Link Labs Google ImageFX. And after logging in with your email, you can see here, either you can generate your image with ImageFX or try this. This is one link in at bottom right corner. This is one link. Now click Try Whisk. And it's click Enter tool. Now you can paste your prompt here. I have already generated some prompt with Quen. I will just paste it. It is a story about fluffy cat. Now here you can see best quality and quality. I will select best quality, and it is powered by Imagen 4. In ImageFX, you will see powered by Imagen 3, and so this is latest one. You can lock the seed if you want consistent image. So I will lock it. I want consistent image. Now I will select aspect ratio. Let it be 16:9. There are three options, 1:1, and 9:16, and 16:9. I will select 16:9 and proceed with next. Okay. This is a tabby cat walking slowly on road. The sky is gray with soft cloud. Okay, it's nice. Now I will animate this. To animate this, just click here, animate. So I will just write a cat is walking on road, and I will click here. So my video generation starting. In the meantime, I just go to the next prompt. I will write the next prompt. Cat sits on a ground and looks in the sky. I'm just writing a line, and the better prompt will be given by Quen. It can also be done with ChatGPT or DeepSeek, but currently I prefer Quen. So my video is generating. Okay, a cat is walking on road. Let's see. That's great. And I can download also. Let's see whether there is any logo. There is no watermark or any logo in this video. In the free version, you will get only 10 generations. And if you want to get more, then you have to purchase Google AI Studio. Now I will copy this next prompt and I will paste this again. Now I will select same 16:9. I will just move to next. Well, perfect. Now you can see that the cat is looking above in the sky. Now I will click at animate. Cat looking at the sky stands on a pause and prays with front pause. Okay, let's see what it generates. I am basically trying to convey that cat is praying. Let's see how the video turns out. Okay. So friend, it doesn't work out very well. While the previous video's basic animation was perfect, like walking and looking here and there, I will just close this and go to my library. And you can see I have generated one more video previously. And you can see here, it is very confusing what they have generated. Okay, friends, this is the new developing image to video model of Google. But still, it's not perfect, but basic animations are very good. So you want to try, didn't you? Can give it a thought. And it's currently limited to 10 generations only. I have already used 3 generations. So you can try and make any video. I think to each email, if you can generate 10 video, then at least 1 complete video script will be ready with each email. So friends, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up.